Dodgy as f. Dodgy as f.
Always the best music.
You don't get priority doing a right turn. What? You don't get priority doing a right turn.
Don't look, will you?
That's the problem with the alcohol-free cocktail. What the f*** are you doing?
Excuse me.
Hello. Yeah, don't mind me, mate. Just
go over the like chevrons and the hashing, and just say thanks and just push in. Yeah, cool. An obstacle.
What are you doing, you dick?
A mobile spray tanner.
Yeah.
They don't know what
It's a gun, okay, that basically it's got the...
It's like you don't grow up knowing what to say, what to do, the education again. And another...
you're really gonna... There you go. Let's have that.
Balloons. I don't know if the camera caught that. I'm pretty sure a guy is inhaling gas balloons.
Someone did it the other day when I was here. But they're going to do it.
£546,000 tax-free. First ever chance of winning. Hang on. He's looking at his phone. He wants to see it. Who needs roads when you've got a 4x4? Use the pavement. Because heaven forbid you'd have to wait, another what? A few seconds? Oh, there goes another one. Can't be asked to wait a minute or so. That's good to mount the pavement to go around. Not exactly a 4x4 this time. But hey. Sod waiting, right? They teach that on your new driving test. They teach that, sod cues, mount the pavement.
Oh, I think that was over a junction, I think.
Well, I mean, you could do Mickey Mouse. Can you do anything else that does that?
Would it be offensive? Well, it depends how good it is, does it? You haven't heard it.
Okay, well, that's what we go then.
Okay. dickhead.
And a 1964 Triumph TR4, the 1986 Sierra Cosworth, with that whacking great spoiler on the arse, and a Mark I Cortina from 1963. Couple of original minis. A 1952 Ford pickup, very American. And here we go in 911 heaven. Oh, we've got a couple of 356s here. Another Taycan here. And a 911.
So it's really comfortable to drive.
And the Cayman. Now, who'd believe that this was a Citroen? I certainly didn't to start with. But there we go. Steering wheel on the wrong side as usual.
Yeah, I only went up the Julius to get a set of car springs blasted. Never left. The man with the camera, look.
He was thinking of with regard to social media.
Why can't I turn left?
Mooted the notion of a watershed, a 10 p.m. watershed.
Why can't I turn left?
You have to open. And let me say.
Now I can turn left. Why? Why? What? That's so weird. There's no traffic coming across. You can't turn right from the other side. What?
Oh, the wheelie wall. Donkey.
A donkey!
Two donkeys.
Two donkeys!